good hygiene as a plus size woman. So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here. So today I want us to focus on 7 hygiene practices suitable for plus size women. So guys, if you're ready, we can continue. Plus size women are often treated differently than any other women. They are judged differently and accepted in society based on how less their size is. The truth is, there's no big deal about being a plus size woman. And medically speaking, except you are overweight, that is obese, with a BMI above 26 to 30, then there is no issue. Today you will learn about some tips. Irrespective of your weight or your size, you need to always maintain good personal hygiene. However, as a plus size woman, you need to pay more attention to your personal hygiene because there is more body mass, and more things to do. There's also a notion that plus size people smell, which is not true at all. So you need to be more conscious of your personal hygiene and learn the extra but simple tricks for maintaining good hygiene as a plus size woman. So 7 hygiene tips for plus size women. Okay, these hygiene are effective for plus size women or any other woman. Number 1, shave your underarm hair regularly. Underarm hair tends to hold on to smells and may even be oozing out offensive odor if not cleaned on a regular basis. Fortunately, there are a lot of ways to keep mistuniness caused by underarm hair at bay. You can remove it at home using a razor, hair removal, creams, lemon, and honey, to mention but a few. How to remove underarm hair using a razor. Equipment you will need: sharp razor, clean towel, shaving cream, and coconut oil. How to do that: get into a mild hot shower for a few minutes, a mild hot shower. Go out of the shower for 1 minute and gently rub your armpit with a coarse towel to exfoliate it. Go back into the shower, with the razor blade and begin to shave the underarm hair with with your arms raised above the head. Once you're finished shaving, shower with cold water, or better still, rinse your armpits with cold water. After that, use your towel to dry your armpits. For better results, you can moisturize with cucumber juice or coconut oil. 2. How to remove underarm hair using hair removal creams. You will need hair removal, cream, and a clean towel. Direction: thoroughly wash your armpits and pat them dry with your towel. Apply the cream and leave it for about 2 minutes. How to remove: use a spatula. It is packaged with, and scrub toward the downward direction. After that, get cool water and wash your armpits, then dry with a towel. How to remove armpit hair with the lemon and honey. You will need honey, 3 tablespoons. You will need lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, and a clean towel. Direction: mix the ingredients together until they become smooth, a paste. Wash your armpits and dry using a towel. After that, apply the smooth paste to your armpit and leave it there for close to 15 minutes. Lastly, dip a towel in warm water and use it to wipe off the mixture. Number 2, regularly take cool showers. And there is excess heat, your body tends to harbor more bacteria, and this may further trigger unfriendly odors. This is why experts often recommend rinsing the body with cool water immediately after taking a hot shower. When you do so, it can help close your pores so as to make them uneasy to clog, and this in turn shields against harmful bacteria and promotes healthy skin. Number 3, keep the vagina clean. Every vagina has its own distinct scent, and this varies from person to person depending on your clothing's material, eating lifestyle, hydration level, among others. To promote healthy and nice smelling vagina, consider the following expert tips. Number 1, keep it clean and dry. Not all fabrics are ideal for your vagina. Cotton fabrics are considered ideal as they are breathable, they promote cool skin, and prevent bacterial growth and infections. On the other hand, using fabrics like satin retain moisture and limits airflow, which may further result in irritation as well as friction. It also promotes the growth of yeast and harmful bacteria, which can ultimately trigger infections. Aside from satin, other fabrics that may induce infections include sweat workout clothing, wet swimsuits, to name but a few. Number 2, avoid douching. Your vagina has a way of taking care of itself. It has the capability of auto-cleaning itself, and by nature it releases some substances to help eliminate germs and bacteria from the body. Therefore, shun douching or making use of harsh cleaners and soaps, as they can alter your natural pH balance, trigger irritation, or even clear good bacteria from your female organ. So avoid that. Another reason to shun douching is that it only tries to hide the smell rather than solving the root cause of the problem. For instance, people with a common vaginal infection called bacterial vaginosis can cause the vagina to smell like a rotten fish. Douching your vagina for this purpose can never eliminate the infection. You should rather use warm water and mild soap to the vulva, or better still, the advice of your physician. Number 3, eat right. A healthy vagina isn't just a matter of cleaning it regularly. You have to combine it with a healthy diet. There are some foods that contain good for you bacteria that can help boost the overall health of your vagina. Typical examples are yogurt, with live cultures, cranberry, to name but a few. 5, use fresh towels. Improper handling or cleaning of your towel and wash clothes can unhealthy as such a habit can attract bacteria and thus expose you to myriads of infections. Therefore, make sure you wash and replace your towel regularly, as well as wash clothes immediately after you wash them. Stay clean at all times. Although this may sound simple, but the truth is that it can help improve the overall health of your vagina. Use a toilet paper to wipe your vaginal area from front to back until there is no any residue on the paper anymore. This is a great way to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, that may result in infections. Also, change your panty liners regularly and be sure to always shade your sanitary pads and tampons on a regular basis during menstruations. Number 4, proper foot care. Here are some hygiene tips for your feet. Number 1, wear shoes that fit properly. Wearing too tight shoes can result in long-term foot problems. So make sure you wear the right shoes, the right shoe size, to shield yourself against such smells. Number 2, choose breathable footwear to maintain healthy feet. Wear shoes that give room for fresh air, to circulate down there. Also, if you have sweaty feet, you wear shoes that are made with fresh mesh fabrics to allow for maximum air circulation. Number 3, avoid sharing foot gear. Sharing foot gear and socks with others may expose you to certain fungal infections. Therefore, be sure to wear only your own foot gear at all times. 5, cut your toenails properly. Cut your nails regularly and never be tempted to trim it too close to the skin. This may result in pain and discomfort. 5, switch your pillowcase every couple of days to avoid acne. Every day you use your pillowcase, it builds up bed bugs, dust mites, oils, dirt and sweat, meaning that it is capable of harboring bacteria that can trigger acne, blackheads, illness, allergies, or damage your skin. This is why most experts often recommend washing your pillowcase with soap and hot water every 2 days at maximum to protect against health complications linked with the dirty pillowcase. Number 6, clean your belly button. The belly button is one of the body parts that most people ignore when taking a bath. However, it will interest you to know that having a dirty belly button is inimical to your health and can expose you to mild of health conditions including yeast infections, ophalosis, bad smell, etc. To prevent the mentioned, clean your belly button at least once every week. Number 7, shower at night before going to bed. The importance of taking a shower at night before going to bed can never be overemphasized. To start with, taking a shower at this hour of the day can help reduce the risk of acne, get rid of the residue of your body, improve your sleep quality, for healthier skin, to name but a few. Other hygiene tips for plus-size women are like, clip your fingernails to avoid bacterial infection, fungal infection, food poisoning, self-induced injury, inward nail growth, and the likes. Scrub your tongue and floss regularly to prevent bad breath. Wash your mouth with hydrogen peroxide and saline water for excellent oral health. Wash between your toes to prevent infections. Keep your pelvic region shaved to shield against infections. Shade your underwear regularly. Avoid wearing a tight bra. Wash after every sexual intercourse. So these are the tips that I have for your overall hygiene. So guys, I hope you follow every other tip that I've included in this video. Thank you so much for being here. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.